Ladies and gentlemen,
Shavua Tov. First of all, I would like to express my deep gratitude to the Nobel Prize Committee for the honor they bestowed upon me. A prize for efforts to achieve peace. There cannot be a greater honor in the life of a man when he gets it. Hence, my deep gratitude. I phoned just now President Sadat and congratulated him that he was bestowed by that famous great prize. But I told him that the real prize is peace itself, and he agreed.